Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. I got something real exciting today. CTS Turbo downpipe came in. So let's get straight into it. If you know anything about my car, if you follow my page, you know I had a downpipe already, Catless. It was an eBay downpipe. Got it for like 76 bucks, 78 bucks. It ended up breaking. The mount, the like one point where it mounts up, ended up breaking, so I had to take it off, put my stock exhaust back on, and I got state ref, so I really had no choice. Now I am doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Paid like $400 for this one, so I'm expecting a big increase in quality. And CTS is a pretty reputable brand, so it's kind of like a little review. Yeah, looks good so far. Looks different than the one that I had on there before. This one looks more curved. Looks like it came in 3 pieces. The other one was only 2 pieces, which is kind of convenient, but looks like it has all the mounting hardware as well. Mid pipe, and then the pipe that attaches to the downpipe with the O2 sensor where the cat should be, right here. Let me sit you down real quick. Yeah, as much as I want to take it out, I'm probably just not going to right now. It did come with a new gasket, which is pretty nice. Hopefully, I'm assuming this one will fit. The one that came with my other kit didn't fit, so new gasket, new hardware. Yeah, she looks pretty good. Just gonna have to take my word for it until the install video comes out, because I don't want to scratch it up in the meantime. See, you can tell I've already been through this. Been here, done that. Anyways, CTS Turbo. I would say shout out CTS Turbo, but they didn't pay for this. I paid for this. But yeah, if you're interested, go check out their page. Definitely not a sponsored video. Yeah, the steel is thick, super thick, bigger. Bigger, thick. The mounting brackets look good. Ropes look good. Ropes are solid. So hopefully these won't break like my other one did, which, you know, I'm sure they got warranties on these things, seeing it's from a pretty reputable brand. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna post the next video. It's gonna have, you know, install and all that fun shit. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell. Peace.